SPY this morning. It's at last Friday's close. It was really a good Friday. Jobs report was very good. Over 300,000 jobs created last month, and it catapulted the market. The Fed also lightened up on its talks on interest rate hikes, and that helped too. Tariffs, there's talks about that. That's helping. So a lot of good news. And our watch list down here, we got quite a few here that look like they might work out. We'll see what the market gives us this morning. Roku, I'm going to take this right here for a short at the ask if it gives it to us. This thing is way too extended, I'm thinking. All right, we're in. We're in at 36.69. Day looks good for a short. It's been downtrending for a while now. But then it started an uptrend. You know, slowly, nothing crazy. The market was going up. Intraday, we get a huge gap up here. So I'm thinking it's going to flirt around here for a little bit. But you got a lot of people holding on this, a lot of bag holders on this. They're going to use this as an opportunity to sell, I'm thinking. But if not, we're going to get out of this somewhere over 37, probably 37.20 area. Target, I like it below the lows here. Roku, it's not looking good here. It's over our stop area a little bit. We're going to wait it out for a little bit, see what happens here. See if it's just a squeeze and it comes back down to us. Market is slowly climbing, but if not, we'll come out of this one soon. I should have waited. I didn't, and that's what happens. Market's going up. You know what? We're going to come out of this one in a little bit here. We're going to come out right here at the 7 if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out of this one for a 40-cent loser on it. I just don't like it anymore. I should have waited. I didn't. So I'm thinking it's probably going to go over, and we'll jump in it again later if we get an opportunity. Roku, I want to see it pop the top here. Then we're going to jump in it for another short. Looks about ready to squeeze here. I'm going to try to take it right here. All right, we're in. Second trade on it. I think it's going to turn around. It just breached the top here. Once it does, we'll take it. But stop loss will be over 38, probably around 38.40 area. But target on this one, I think once this one's done, you should get a nice drop here, at least below 37.25 area. NVDA, we're going to try to take this short right here if it gives it to us. I think this thing is stretched out. All right, we're in. We're in at 139.78. Daily has been downtrending for a while, and it formed a low a couple weeks ago, and now it's been slowly consolidating in this area. Intraday, it gaps up, has a flush, and then it blasts off. So I'm thinking as soon as this squeeze is done here, this thing will drop quite a bit. Market's not too strong, so we should get some tailwind there. I like this down to below 139. Stop loss will be around 140.50 area, 141. It's a good size stop loss because this thing is so stretched out, it's going to relax and pull back. NVDA is coming down to us. All right, we'll try to take it right around here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over a point. Take that. Saw the market was coming down, so figured might hit this area and get a bounce, so maybe we'll take it later. Let's take a look at Roku. This thing is just being a pain. I shouldn't have jumped on it the second time, but you know what? I'm going to come out of this one right here. I don't like it if it gives it to us. All right, we're out for another 25-cent loser on it. I see the market, it's dropping, and this thing is just holding ground here. It just wants to climb, so we're done with this one. Maybe later, maybe, big maybe. Apple, I'm going to take it right here for a long if it gives it to us at the bid. All right, we're in. We're in Apple for 146.70. Does not look good for a long, the daily, but this is a huge company. It's down quite a bit, you know. Market just pulled back, but I think it's going to turn around, poke back up. There's a lot of good news out there, so I think it should help this one at least go up to, I'll take it over 147.25, and stop loss will be below 146.25. But the market is a little tricky here. It is below last week's close, but it has pulled back quite a bit from the highs. It was at 148, now it's at 146, and it's climbing. Apple, let's look at this thing. Probably take it once it gets over 147. You know what? I'm going to take it right here. We're out. I got a little scared there. I thought it was going to go down. The market seemed a little skittish. It's all right, though. We got 35 cents. Should have been more. NVDA. We're going to take this short right here if it gives it to us. Second trade on it. We're in for 100. All right, we're full in. We're in at 139.80. Second trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took a little bit from this dip here. And we're going to take it again here, see if it'll dip again. We took about a point off of it. Stop loss will be around 140.50. And target, I like it around 139. NVDA, it's at our stop area. We'll give it some breathing room here, just in case this is where it turns. Market just had a spike here, so it helped push this up. But look, it's moved from here all the way up to here, so we're due for a pullback. NVDA, I'm just hanging out at our stop area here for a little bit. This is a big mover, so this thing can be right back down to 38.50 in no time. But it can also go to 145 easy too, so you gotta be careful. I like it around 139 area, but we were losing on it, so I gotta think a little bit differently on it. Now I'm gonna look at the market and see how far the market goes to the downside, then we'll assess. NVDA, all right, it's coming down to us here. We'll let it break 139, then we'll take it. Market's downtrending. All right, we'll try to take this right here if it gives it to us. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. All right, we're out. We're out for 80 cents. A little bit over 80 cents. I'll take that. I was going to take it earlier over here, but I wanted it to break 39. And it broke 39, and we took it. I tried to get a little bit lower, but it started to pull back from the initial breakdown, so I figured I'll take that before it shoots up. The market is just playing games today. It went down at the open. Actually, at the open, yeah, it went down at the open, and then it went up. Then it went down, then it went up, then it went down. So buy the dip, sell the rip mentality today. But that's going to be it for me today. I don't really see anything else I like. And the market's just playing games. We're up 229. Let's take a look at the trades. 3 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner was on NVDA, and our biggest loser was on ROKU. Thanks for watching.